Hey y'all, Julie here. Have y'all ever been in your home and you're just tired of the dirty grout? Let me show you how to make it clean. Um, right here, you can see. Right here, you can see that the grout lines are dirty. I'm starting to work on these over here. This is going to take about 2 coats, and it has a sealer. We use our own special cleaning ingredients, and then you just need some toothbrush, and then I use the Grout Renew. This color is haystack and bone. I'm mixing those two together to get this look, but this is the area that I'm working on. This is the dirty area. This all used to be dirty, but you can see how bright and white it is. Look at the difference. The bathroom, the laundry room, and these halls. But this used to look just like this. So you can see where I stopped, and I'm coming over here to do this. But what I do, y'all, I just get my cleaning solution, a little paper plate with the stain in it that I mixed together to get my color. Then I get a rag. Basically, you just set your butt on the towel. And you have to learn your towel, because if you put it on too soon and you wipe it, then you just wipe it off the grout. And if you leave it on too long, then you're just having to scrub forever. So I've already been at this house for about a couple hours, so I've already learned pretty much what this needs to do, how long it needs to stay on. So as you can see, I'm just dabbing the toothbrush in the stain, and this also has a sealer, and I just put about that much, go to my line, and you want to make sure your floors are clean. No animal hair, pet hair. And then you just keep doing that. And after that's done, I usually use my spray solution, and I just take my rag and I barely go over it. And then you're going to want to let that dry for a little bit. You want to make sure that you get the film off the tile. And let that dry. And then you'll come back and you'll do a spot check. Some things might take 2 to 3 coats. And I want to show you. See how it's coming through just a little bit here? Oh, you can see right there. Just a little bit right there. So you need to let that dry and then come back with your solution and give it another swipe. And usually I'll let this dry just a little bit, but I'm just trying to show y'all how to do it. But I'm not going to say it's easy. It's hard work, but it's easier than scrubbing, because if you use a steam machine or all those hacks that you see about how to clean grout, it doesn't work, because this grout is porous. So everything is held inside here. So the steam cleaner will come in and clean some, but it's going to leave it spotty. It's not going to get it one solid color as this Grout Renew does. So that's what it's going to look like versus that. So you can see how it looks through the house. So the only thing I can do not, this is a do not. You don't want to keep it on here like this and just say, I'll just let it dry and then come back and wipe it off. No, once you do that and you let that dry, you're going to have to come back in, because you're going to have lines like that. you're not gonna have your straight lines like this. You're gonna have lines like that. And you gotta come back with a scrubber, and it's forever to get off, because once this is on, it stays. So you don't want to do that. So make sure when you do it that you wipe it, just an easy wipe off of here, but just make sure you don't wipe too soon, because that's frustrating, or your rag is too wet. You don't need it very wet, because then the water gets in here and it's not gonna stay. And you don't wanna put this on wet tile. You wanna make sure that you clean it and stuff at least the day before. And don't walk on it for at least a couple hours to make sure it dries, especially the little pets, because they will come in and put their little paws in here. So you don't want to do that. So let it dry for a couple hours, and then the humans, just make sure they step on the tile here, not on the grout lines. Other than that, like I said, it has a sealer in it, so it's easier to clean once you get this done. I did the backsplash in the kitchen. It was dirty because of all the, see how dirty that is? And then you come in where I cleaned it. But this was dirty because of the grease and stuff like that. So I redid all that. Same over there. I want to show you, okay, this is what I just did, the first coat. This is why you have to come back with the second coat. See how it's not going through all the way? So you have to come back and do a second coat. And the second coat's a lot easier than the first coat to make it stay. So back here, I've done second coats. So you don't have that look. It's all even. So yeah, if you're in the Dallas area, surrounding areas, you can look us up on All About That Grout. My number is 214-846-1096. And I would be more than happy to stain your grout and help you get that going. But like I said, it's just a water bottle, paper plate with a stain, and a toothbrush, and cleaning solution, whatever you prefer. But I get the toothbrush that are not the fat heads, it's just the skinny heads. And one should last for a job. For one house, but this is Haystack, and it's Grout Renew, and you can see it has a sealer on it. This one are in it. This one's called Bone, and I mixed those two to get that color. It's not too white and it's not too dark. For this one, I picked it because it brings out this color that's in her tile, and it just brightens everything up, like you could tell from this bathroom here. I haven't touched it, but you see how dirty it is. Let's go look at the one. And also, I mean, you could do the backsplash in the bathtub area. But let me take you in here where I've already done one bathroom. And you can see the difference between that other one and the one we just left. A lot prettier. A lot. Okay, there you have it. So please like and subscribe. Let me turn you around. Do all sorts of DIYs, home remodeling. Our main thing is All About That Grout, and we also have Texas Shutter Biz, where we do shutters and we do patio covers and pergolas. So you have a Facebook page, look us up. That's All About That Grout, Texas Shutter Biz, and Cedarland. So anyway, y'all have a great day. Please like and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up. Thanks, y'all.